I'm putting a slipcover on the IKEA KNOPPARP sofa. The one I'm sitting on right now is the two-seater version, which has been discontinued in the US and Canada, but it's been replaced with the larger three-seater size. So it's a little bit more versatile, especially if you have a bigger room. This sofa is super cheap at IKEA, which means you can put a custom cover on it and make it look beautiful. Okay, so the cover I have for you today is this gorgeous black and white arrow print, and I really love this fabric. I think it goes really well in an African inspired room or an eclectic room or anything that is a little bit more worldly. And because it's black and white, it's just neutral enough so that it's not going to be overwhelming with all the other eclectic things you're going to have, like pillows and curtains and throws and rugs and what have you. So let's get started. My cover has this invisible zipper, which is going to allow the cover to fit nice and snug over the frame. So you're just going to position this invisible zipper on the back corner of the sofa. And now we're just going to put the arms on. This. And I'll just turn it around so you can see how it all zips up and comes together. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like on the back. So as you can see, it's a pretty snug fit. And here's the front. And I just so happen to have some matching pillows in the same print, which I'm going to put on right here. Just like that. So, voila! New IKEA KNOPPARP sofa.